And with me right now is Leslie Gabola from Adapt-2-It. She's the owner of two locations, the one that is right up the road on El Toro and Paseo de Valencia, and then they have a newer location in Newport Beach, it's on Newport Avenue and right around 16th is the cross street. But today she is with us, and as I say, you never know what she's going to bring. And today you brought us this kind of walker, rollator, sort of a combination type thing, right?
It's something that we're hearing a lot about on TV.
Okay.
And so people have been coming in my store from the village asking about it. And so it's called the Up Walker. And so I thought I'd bring it and just kind of show it.
Okay.
And then if people are interested, they can come in and talk to me about it and look at it and decide if it's for them.
Okay.
It's one of those things that upon first glance, you look at it and you kind of go, oh my gosh, what is that?
Yeah, it looks like a combination of many different things.
It is, and it actually is a morphed version from a different design.
Okay.
And so actually the concept is that, and I'm going to stand up because it's probably
easier. Yeah, you said
easier.
People have been asking about it from TV. Do they have, has it been on like infomercials or something?
It is. It's actually on just regular TV, on commercials.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it, so.
And so the idea behind it, the concept is great because what it does, it allows you to walk, and a lot of times what people do is they'll put those regular walkers, you know, with the seat.
Yeah.
They keep asking me to raise it up, raise it up, raise it up, and I've talked about this before. But what happens, because they think that the higher it is, the taller they're going to stand. But if you think about it, you're supposed to hold on to a walker. This is a little bit low, but you're supposed to hold on to a walker about here, about mid-hip.
Okay.
And what that does, it allows everything up here to relax. And then you can walk.
Okay.
And then the idea is that you walk into the seat, closer to the seat. It puts your body in an upright position.
Okay.
So they kind of took that concept, here, and moved the handles kind of up here. And their concept is that you're putting the weight here on your forearms and saving your hands and using most of your weight on your forearms.
Okay.
And then holding the handles, and you can steer it.
Okay, I see.
And
this is the adjustable area.
And this is the adjustable,
Okay.
so it goes from I think it's 4'10" or 11 to 5'10", typically.
Okay.
And so kind of an average height. And so it does brake, it has brakes, you just pull these forward, similar to a regular walker. The thing I do really like about it is that it's anything that has adjustability I like.
Okay, and this,
you
I see.
Pull those out, and you can change this angle somewhat.
Oh, that's nice.
So if you have a wrist issue or a hand issue, arthritis or whatever, you can turn it so it's comfortable for you.
Yeah, that's nice.
And so sometimes, you know, everybody's different.
Right.
So you can kind of customize it that way. And then it has the ability to have wheels that turn or don't turn.
Right, and we figured out that together, how you can lock the front wheels.
And then you just push those, and you can do that.
You go like that, and then push it in the forward position, and it locks.
It doesn't move.
Yeah.
And so you see you have one swiveling and one not. The only problem with that is that this is kind of heavy. It's about 20 pounds.
Okay.
And so if you're going along and you need to change direction, you almost have to pick it up and swivel it to change direction.
Yeah.
So you're really going to want to use it with the swivel.
Okay.
And then the only thing is you want to really use this in the house mostly because it does fold, and it folds rather easily. You just pull the seat up.
Okay.
And it folds together. However,
but
that's how it folds.
Okay, so you need obviously for a car, you need a pretty wide trunk.
You do.
Yeah.
You need either an SUV or a big trunk or a big back seat.
I mean, it's not really heavy,
it's
but
it's not hugely
I can see
heavy,
what you're saying.
But you do need the proper vehicle, and then all you do is push down on it. Okay. Now this walker, what I've discovered, it's a little bit easier to just use it as a walker and less easy to use it as a seat.
Okay, so the seat is more like, okay, you need a couple minutes to sit or whatever, like a temporary type thing.
Exactly. And it probably wouldn't be for a long period of time. So if you need the ability to get the weight off your hands, perhaps you've had a broken wrist or arthritis or something, and you can't hold on to a traditional walker, this may help.
Yeah.
And this may be a good thing. And then as you're walking, if you're going down a hill, you can pull up the brakes temporarily and put it on.
And it comes with a cup holder and
a little bag.
Maybe this is a nice thing if you want to go out to the garden. You can put some garden supplies in there and your drink, whatever it may be.
Yes. Depending on the time.
Depending on the time, yes.
And then and this has a nice little cover on it, so you can cover it up. So I would encourage people, if they're interested, to just come in and talk to me about it. They can play with it. They can touch it, feel it, change things. We obviously adjust the height for everybody.
Yes, you do.
So everything is adjusted properly, and then probably the last step to getting one of these is folding it up to see if it would fit in their car.
And this is something that you and your entire staff at Adapt-2-It are great at. No matter what it is, they're there to work it out with you.
Exactly.
Even if it's a simple rollator or a wheelchair, there's so many different styles.
Exactly.
You're going to help find the right one. And maybe this sort of a hybrid device may be right for you. If not, there are plenty of other choices that you can go through. Yeah.
Exactly. And we have, and that's why we have so much in our store, because everybody's different. Everybody has different issues. And we want to be able to really fit most people. So.
Yeah, but I can see where this could be just right for somebody for a variety of reasons. And like you said, it may not be so much sitting down, but to get around the house, or as I said, maybe you go out into the yard a little bit, and this takes you out there, and you want to do a little work or whatever it might be. You've got this, and you do have the seat, or you could even put something on the seat, a little basket or something.
Transport.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can, the other thing that they kind of designed this for, you could put on the brakes, hold on, and then do a couple leg exercises, just some marching in place, lifting up your legs, doing some things like that. And it's nice because you can lean on your forearms and feel secure that way. So that's
very
option.
Good. So is this something you have in the shop that people can look at?
Yes.
And then if they want it, you would order it? Am I right? Or you keep a couple in stock?
Right.
Okay.
We actually have a couple in stock, but if we run out, we can always order them.
Okay.
Always get them.
Very good. And of course, the website is Adapt-2-It.com. 457-1600 is the phone number, 949. That's the number to your location here, which is probably the most of the time the one you'd end up. But if you want to go down to the Newport Beach location and check that out, it's again right on Newport Avenue, and it's 16th. And we were talking about years ago, it was a motorcycle shop. Yeah,
Champion
so if you know where that was,
yes.
that's where it's at.
That's it.
Yeah, very good. And they'll help you out, whether it's Leslie or Steve or whoever. I know, do you have your daughters helping out sometime?
Lynn actually, with her husband Jeff, run Newport.
Oh, that's right.
So,
I remember you telling me that.
So if you guys go down there, they can see Bree. She's pregnant, yay.
Yeah, you got a grandkid on the way. All right.
Yeah, June 19th. So anyway, we're anxiously awaiting this child. So go down, say hi, talk to her, and and see the new place. That'd be great. And we're having probably a donation day at the end of July.
Okay.
We're having a combination donation day and health fair. So it's going to be a big deal. Oh, and anniversary celebration.
So wine and cheese. Okay, all right. That's the most important part. All right, thank you very much for coming in.
Welcome.
And again, check this out. This might be the right device for you, and they can help you out to find out if it is. All right, we'll be right back.
Thank you.